So now we can add the total cooling capacity of uh, this chiller. So as you know that this is air cooled chiller, so now here I have created sheet. So as you know that the fan coil unit have one of fan coil unit 1 has the cooling capacity of 87,000 BTU. Similarly FCU2 having 88,000, FCU3 having 92,000, and FAHU having 5,41,000 BTU required so for cooling. So we can get this value from here report. Here you see these are cooling capacities of these are cooling capacities for fan coil units, and this is the cooling capacity for our over air handling unit. So we can add all these value. So we have total the total tonnage is 8 lakh and 8,721 BTU per hour heat. So total capacity that we require in tonnage is 67 ton of refrigeration or 212 kilowatt of refrigeration. So now we can add this value here. So here in my model you see the minimum we have 281 kilowatt. So we go to this load family, and now from library we have different option. So you can go to your library, Revit library. So here again select, you go in mechanical folder. Similarly in MEP and in water side component, so we have chiller option. So here you see these are different capacity of screw chiller. So the screw chiller having capacity, minimum capacity of 281 kilowatt. So now we move to scroll chiller. So we can select this. Here you see this scroll chiller have minimum capacity of 211 kilowatt. So you can select this one. Now here you see we can select this scroll chiller and 211 ton. So over tonnage is 212 kilowatt. So it's okay. Now you can select OK. Then this chiller was replaced, and now we can select this screw chiller. So they're all now you can select this, and then you can go to this edit family option. So now here you see this is your chiller, screw chiller. Go to realistic. Now load this into the project. So here you see this is the inlet of chiller and this is outlet pipe of the chiller.